Welcome to this PharmaPendium video on building clinical bridges using the Pharmacokinetics module. We would like to repurpose an approved dermatologic drug for a new indication. Using the Pharmacokinetics module, you can reuse the data from the original clinical trials and trials of similar drugs to create a clinical bridge between the old indication and the new one. You can use the original data as support for your submission. Recreating the experiments is usually not necessary. We would like to determine the safety margins for amlixanox, including minimum and maximum concentrations and area under the curve. We will begin by clicking Pharmacokinetic Data to open the PK module. The Pharmacokinetics Exposure Data Search form lets you choose the safety parameters for a drug, drug class, or species. First, we will click Add Drugs and Drug Classes, and then we will type in the name of the drug. Click Add to add it to the form. Click Search Now. The results show 791 pharmacokinetic parameters. Here you can see all relevant clinical data, as well as all preclinical data, and relevant links. Use the Parameters filter to check the relevant safety margins. Filters are also available for drug class, concomitants, tissue-specific results, and more. Select concentration parameters, and then select Area under the curve. Click Apply Filters. The filtered results will include both clinical and preclinical data that has been filtered for area under the curve and concentrations, like this Clinical Pharmacology and Biopharmaceutics Review. And this Pharmacology Review, featuring preclinical data. Now, let's check the levels of metabolite exposure and determine which safety tests have already been conducted and which have not. First, remove the filters by clicking Remove All Filters. Now we can focus on the filter for metabolites. Click the link for metabolites and enantiomers, and then click Metabolites. Search results will include relevant dosage, route, area under the curve information, other parameters, and concomitants, and will provide a link to the source document. You may also want to perform a search in the Pharmacokinetics module using several drugs that are similar. Combine the filters used today to view concentration, area under the curve, and metabolites, or filter by species to view only preclinical data. This concludes our session for today. Thank you for watching. Please contact your account manager if you have any questions. More training materials can be found at the Elsevier Training Desk.